Alright, so for Enhancement 2, we're supposed to do a series of SQL statements. I've went ahead and stored mine here so I can just copy and paste them. To start off, we're going to go ahead and do the insert. It says it inserted it, so let's go ahead and check it just to make sure. And looks like it's there. The second one is going to go ahead and take that statement that we inserted and update it. Alright, it says it worked, so let's check it again. And now the client level is not what it should be. Let me try that one more time. Oh, that's right. It's because I had to delete it so that I could get this working, which means now my client ID is 2. Alright, there we go. One row affected. And there we go. Now it's working. Okay, the update replace. This one shouldn't have the same issues as this one because I just barely imported it, so it should be good, clean data. Alright, one row affected, and that should have set the inventory name to climbing rope, as well as replaced nylon rope in the description. So let's go ahead and check that. And there we go, climbing rope, climbing rope. The next one is the join. And that should show us categories and MISC as well with the inventory. Looks good. And just to make sure, we should have the Koenigsegg car, which we are now going to go ahead and delete. Goodbye. That's alright, says one row affected. Let's go ahead and double check. And there is no Koenigsegg listed. And that is all 5 of the SQL statements. For the database connection, I'll go ahead and show that off here too. Here's the library. Connection should be working. Oh, sorry, that was me testing. Don't mind this. Try that again. Alright, blank page means it's working. Let's go ahead and break it real quick. And it is no longer working. Alright, there we go.